What's up guys, it's Bepsi the Noob here. We're back with another video. I know it's been a fat minute, but today I'm with my brother and we are having a car building contest. You heard it right. And I don't know who's gonna win this. He's an expert on cars, already bought two.
No.
I'm chilling with 0 cars. But we're just gonna go and divide this plot in half. So we can't see each other until the time limit is up. Or we're both done. I don't feel like having a time limit. We want quality cars. Okay guys, we are back. Sorry about that. We had a little bit of technical difficulties. But I can actually record the part that actually mattered. Sorry that I couldn't record the building stage. But this is my car. And on the other side is my brother. Oh, I forgot. I'm anchored. Okay. So these are our 2 cars. You could comment down who you thought was better, but which one is better? So? Yes! Let's go! Yeah! Thank you, Mew, for being judged. Like, subscribe, do whatever. I'll post more soon. Peace.